Today we are going to start a lecture series on marine boiler as per the MEO Class 4 MEKG syllabus. Let's start our today's topic introduction. The auxiliary boiler is a form of boiler used producing steam, and it is used for auxiliary purpose like cargo pumps, turbine operation, oil heating, accommodation heating and turbo generator. The main boiler is used for steam propulsion and auxiliary used for other purpose. They are of fire tube, water tube and composite boiler type. The low pressure boiler is of composite type boiler. All boilers have furnace or combustion chamber where fuel is burned to release energy. Air is supplied to the boiler furnace to enable combustion of fuel to take place. The water fed into the boiler to produce steam. The other important aspect of heat recovery from the diesel engine exhausts is the exhaust gas boiler or economizer. These can be both fire tube or water tube types and contributes to the overall plant efficiency greatly. With the improvements in welding technology, more auxiliary boilers are being manufactured following water tube boiler principles to make them more efficient. This also means a stricter control over the feed water quality entering the steam system. Now we will discuss auxiliary steam boiler. A marine auxiliary boiler is designed to suit the marine environment. Correct functioning of boiler and uninterrupted steam supply is critical for running main engine, generators and other auxiliary machinery. Boiler can be either a fire tube boiler or a water tube boiler. In water tube boiler, water steam flows through the tube, whereas in fire tube boiler, the combustion gases flow through the tubes and water steam remains in the area surrounding the tubes. Steam supplied by the auxiliary boiler is used for heating fuel systems of main engine and auxiliary engine, fuel tanks and purification systems. It also supplies steam for domestic hot water systems and air conditioning of accommodation areas. Based on the working pressure of steam, the boiler can be classified as high or low pressure boilers. Strict procedures have to be followed while starting and stopping the boilers to prevent breakdowns and accidents. Unless there is a breakdown, the boilers are not stopped and restarted again. When the steam is not needed, the boiler is fired intermittently to keep the pressure and temperatures of steam in a particular level. A safety valve is provided in each and every boiler which is set to open when the steam pressure goes up. A number of necessary mountings on the boiler is provided for the safe operation. Now we will discuss the types of boiler. Boilers are classified depending upon the flow of flue gases. They are water tube boilers, fire tube boilers,